how to create or open a Skype account. So if you want to create a Skype account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go and search for Skype. And after searching, here you can go for the first search, which is www.skype.com. And now you can go for open Skype in your browser. Here you need to sign into your Skype, but if you don't have an account, then what you can do is create one. Click on create one, and then here you can create your Skype account. And after entering your email address, you can also use your phone number instead of your email address if you don't want to create an account with your email. So after entering that, click on next. So here it says that this email has already an account. So Skype is linked with Microsoft, and if you have a Microsoft account created, if you have created a Microsoft account, then you can simply go and log into your Skype using your Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you can create a Microsoft account at first, and after creating your Microsoft account, then you can go and log into your Skype with that Microsoft account. For now, I have already used this email address. So what you can do is simply create a Microsoft account first, and after creating that, you can log in. So you can go back, and then you can simply sign into your account with your Microsoft. So simply enter your Microsoft email account or your email address. And after that, click on next and enter your password and click on sign in. And yes. And it will automatically sign you in to your Skype. So that's it. So I have not created my Skype account, but I had a Microsoft account, and with that Microsoft account, I can easily log in to my Skype. And that's it. That's how you create a Skype account with your Microsoft account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.